Good morning, everybody. Today is a brand new day. Got back from work and going out to pick up shrimp pots with old Willie Walker back there. So yeah, hopefully we get some shrimpies. Woo-wee! Days like today are fantastic. All right. Oh man, looking at the breeze, dries out the eyes.
There's one. Feel free, let me. I'll jump in.
All right.
I don't know, they used to have a little, like, oh, here we go. We got any? Don't think so. None whatsoever.
All right.
I can go again. Oh, almost here. I don't think we got that.
Oh, that was a different trap.
Yep.
Oh, there's a couple.
There's some. All right. Oh, that's a good amount. Look at that.
Look at them shrimpies.
All right.
So what are these? Spot prawns?
Yeah. Heck yeah. I'm excited.
All right. How are we getting them out?
All right. So for this one, basically that bottom right there opens with those clips. We're gonna throw them into this bin. So yeah, these clips off. Dude,
There we go.
I'm pretty sure this is the most I've ever gotten. This is awesome. I'm gonna try to pour them. If you can't, we can just always use our hands. We can grab the rest.
Get in there. Oh, missed that one.
That's all right. Wow, should we keep the bait or put more bait in there, you think?
Look at hell guy. I don't know if my camera's getting it. I think so.
Yeah. There's some big old ones in here. This guy.
Shrimpies.
Pretty big one. All right. Well. Let's put, I think, god dang, what are those little things in there? Those nasty ass boogers.
Those are some sort of flea. They eat the bait.
Yeah.
Sand fleas or something like that.
Dang, they are all in there. Look at that. All right, we're just gonna empty this whole thing out. That's pretty bad. All right, ready?
Yep.
See how many are, oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
That's all sand fleas. There's no more food in there.
That's what they do.
I've never seen
Look at all
that.
them things.
All right,
Food for
so,
you.
we're gonna take this one out a little further as well.
All right.
We'll leave that out. I'm gonna throw a little water in here. Keep them a little cool.
Whoa, careful there. I want some shrimpies coming out.
Hell yeah. There's a
Shrimpies
rag if
look
you want to dry off a little bit.
like. All right, so back at the dock, fueling up. And as you can see, we got some prawns down there. I don't know if my camera's all. There we go. That's a little better. Pretty good. Pretty good. Like, subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff. Till next time.